What is the fastest way to stop snoring? Poorsleep.info explains how exercises can stop snoring. Now, as we get older, we tend to get a bit flabbier. We tend to put on a bit more weight. It's only natural. By the time you're approaching your 60th year, if you've been reasonably active, you have done an awful lot and put so much stress on your joints that it starts to hurt to walk on cold and wet days. And on days when it's not easy to walk, you tend not to burn enough calories. So bit by bit, your weight creeps up. You put on weight all over, including in the throat and the neck areas. When you sleep, you're lying back and the soft bits of your throat, like the palate, flop down and can obstruct your airway. Now that's the cause of sleep apnea, obstructive sleep apnea. You also find that flabbiness can affect your snoring. You know, as with most things, it's linked. The heavier we get, the more we're likely to snore, the worse our sleep apnea gets. It's a vicious, horrid circle. So, rather than initially treating the weight gain, which we have to do, and I'll get back to that later, or the sleep apnea, which is a major problem, start with the snoring. Now, snoring affects so many people. There are a lot of devices to help you stop snoring, but you can actually beat it quickly and easily, or at very least improve your general condition. Now, the way you do that is a whole lot of small and simple exercises involving the neck, the throat, the face, the tongue. They're simple to do, they don't take very much out of your day, and in fact you can vary the routine you're doing to keep it interesting. Some people who've done these exercises have reported that their snoring have improved from day one. So if you're interested, click the link below, and by dealing with the snoring, you may find that you tighten up the soft palate and help kick your obstructive sleep apnea out of the court. Give me a try. Tell me what you think about it. There are links in the description to my Facebook group and my website. If you register on either one of those, I will send you updates concerning any developments or anything new that I discover, and I tend to watch research. Anyway, I hope you sleep well, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Awake for morning in the bowl of night, have flung the stone that put the stars to flight, and lo, the hunter of the east have caught the Sultan's turret in a noose of light. The opening of the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam, and you're welcome.